Hey y'all, it's Sherelle with Nitram Financial Solutions, where we teach bookkeeping without boundaries. Whether you're building a seven-figure agency or a brand new bookkeeping business, this is where financial empowerment meets real life freedom. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our weekly tips. When you're just starting out with bookkeeping, it's easy to worry. What if I mess up something? What if I make a huge mistake? The truth is, everyone makes mistakes in the beginning, but today I'm going to share with you the most common bookkeeping mistakes. There are 7 of them, and how to avoid them so that you can feel confident from day one. Let's go through them one by one. If you recognize yourself in any of them, don't panic. It just means you're learning, and now you know exactly how to do better. Mistake number 1, mixing business and personal finances. One of the biggest no-nos is running your business out of your personal bank account. While larger companies don't run their businesses out of their personal account, they do pay for personal expenses from their business account. Listening to people telling them that everything and anything that they pay for is a business expense. Well, that's just false. The rule is simple. To deduct an expense, it must be both ordinary and necessary for the business. If it's not both, it's not deductible. Mistake number 2, not recording transactions right away. Another trap is waiting too long to record transactions. I recently acquired a client whose previous CPA firm only updated their books once a month. Trying to catch up on the bookkeeping weeks or months later increases the chance of forgotten details and lost receipts. Make it a habit to update the books regularly, ideally weekly. For larger companies with a lot of transactions, you might even want to try doing it daily. Mistake number 3, ignoring the small expenses. It's really tempting to disregard the $5 coffee meetings or the small software subscriptions, but they all add up. Review expenses regularly to determine if there is a money leak. Subscriptions is one of the top reasons that causes cash flow to be low. Mistake number 4, not reconciling accounts. Reconciliation might sound tedious, but it just means double checking what was in the books matches what's in the bank account. With all of the new AI and automation tools coming to market, we're seeing an increase in misclassifications. Automation is great, but it's not perfect. Always reconcile to make sure the numbers are right. There are a lot of nuances that causes AI for bookkeeping not to be accurate. It's still a work in progress. Step number 5, overcomplicating the chart of accounts. Now, this one's a hot topic these days. I've talked about it also before in a previous video. The chart of accounts is designed to keep things organized, not overwhelming. Too many accounts and wrong accounts can make the financials crowded and the data useless. Whether you're team account numbers or team no account numbers, make sure that the chart of accounts is simplified so that the bookkeeping can be easy. Mistake number 6, not tracking operations granularly enough. One big mistake I see often in agencies is lumping all of the revenue and expenses together without breaking them down by project or customer. For example, you need to know which clients are actually profitable and which projects are eating up more resources than they actually bring in the door. If you don't track your transactions at this granular of a level, you'll miss the insights that show up where your business is really making money. Setting up the bookkeeping to track transactions by project, job, or customer gives you the clarity to make smarter business decisions. Mistake number 7, waiting until tax time. And this is the last biggest mistake. Waiting until tax season to deal with the books. By then, everyone is stressed, overwhelmed, and rushing, and more than likely making a bunch of mistakes. Doing bookkeeping throughout the year not only allows things to go more smoothly at tax time, but it also keeps the business owner abreast of what is going on in the business throughout the year, so they're able to make decisions in real time. Bookkeeping does not have to be overwhelming. In fact, with the right habits, it can be simple and stress-free. And avoiding these mistakes will save time, stress, and money, which means cleaner books, more peace of mind, and better insights. If you're an agency owner, which of these mistakes are you making and know you need to change? If you're just getting started in bookkeeping, which one of these mistakes are you seeing the most often? Comment down below and let's talk about it. That's your tip for this week on how to do bookkeeping without boundaries, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.